Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is April 8th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, starting off the day, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 4 points right now to 28.92 per contract. You can see that the futures really have been in somewhat of a range, but they definitely downsloped beginning around the opening of the futures last night. So all in all, we are looking at a lower open today potentially on the S&P 500 E-mini. So we'll see what today brings. Today is a Monday. Usually the volume is going to be a little bit on the lighter side. We don't have a lot of earnings yet. In about a week's time, we get a flood of earnings coming in as the new season begins. But right now, it's a little bit on the quieter side. So let's get started with stocks in the news. We're going to start the day off with Boeing. Boeing right now trading down a bit. Looks like the company announced it will temporarily cut its 737 MAX production to 42 planes, to 42 planes from 52 planes per month. So again, stock is down on that news. It closed at 391 spot 92, now trading at 376 spot 11. So all in all, nice little haircut here for Boeing. There's really no level that gets me excited. If it got down to around 355, 356, I would like it there. We're not even close to that. So again, little down ticking here. We'll see what it does. In sympathy, you also want to watch SPR today. That is getting hit a little bit, I believe, on the back of Boeing. So again, SPR down around the 85.15 level, closed at 89.64. That will be in play a little bit later. I think there's a lot of support in this $84 area for SPR if it gets there, but we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Next up, we want to take a look at General Electric. It looks like that received a big downgrade. JP Morgan analyst Steven Tusa downgraded the stock to underweight from neutral. 12-month price target down to $5 from $6. So again, not a pretty picture there for General Electric. GE right now is trading at $9.44. It closed at $10.01. So again, that is definitely a haircut. I think there's intraday support though in this general area around $9.25, $9.30. So we'll see how that plays out. Next up, we want to take a look at Wynn Resorts. WYNN is the ticker symbol there. Looks like the stock was upgraded today by Jefferies, trading at $144.50, closed at $140.94. I'm going to give Wynn the upside bias. I'm not sure it'll happen today, to around the 150 area. Gets to 150, the low 150s, 151, 152. I think that's where you really run into some headwinds. But right now, no real problems. Let's take a look at Procter Gamble. PG is the ticker symbol here. Stock today was upgraded, trading at 104 spot 22, closed at 103.65. There's no real problem with Procter Gamble right now, except that it is overbought and extended. So again, if you look at a bigger time frame, it's very, very stretched. If you own it, trail the stop loss. A lot of times, these things can get upgraded and be sold right into, so you want to be careful with that one today. Next up, we want to take a look at Harley-Davidson. I believe that was downgraded. Harley-Davidson trading at $39.70, closed at $40.31. So HOG, H-O-G, down today a little bit on the back of a downgrade. We're not going to make too much out of that. There's still a lot of support for that stock. If it got down to around the 37 level, so keep that on the radar today. If it gets to 37, I do like it there for HOG. Next up, want to take a look at Southwest Airlines, LUV, ticker symbol LOVE. That stock is trading at $52.40. Looks like that was downgraded by Raymond James. So again, a little sell-off there. A lot of support, though, still around the $51 area intraday. I don't know how long that will hold up, but we'll see if it gets tested today. We'll keep it on the radar once the opening bell rings. Next up, want to take a look at Zillow. Zillow right now trading at $39.12. Looks like that was upgraded at Cowen. Nice little pop there. Closed at $37.27. Now trading at $39.12. So no real issue here from what I can see when I look at the stock. Probably going to run into a little bit of headwinds here just because there's a lot of overhead resistance, but no real issue. Micron, MU, which has been a big mover lately, down today on the back of a downgrade from Cowen. So Micron now trading at $42.28, closed at $43.32 on Friday. So a little haircut there. There is some support right around $41.35. So keep that on the radar. It's only about $1 lower from here. We'll see how that plays out. Let's take a look at one more. We'll do ROKU. That was downgraded at Citigroup. Stock trading closed on Friday at $63.40, now trading at $60. So good little haircut there for ROKU. This is one that can be volatile at times. So we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings today. I see some levels a little bit lower. But let's see where it opens, and I'll talk about those in the intraday stock chat room. Let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures today trading up $11.40 to $13.07 an ounce. So great move for gold. Gold has been under a little bit of pressure recently, but today it's taking off to the upside. So big pop there for the GLD. You'll see that's trading at 123.03. Closed at 121.98. So good pop for gold this morning. Let's take a look at crude oil. Crude oil trading up 13 cents to $63.20 a barrel. Take a look at the USO, which is good ETF to track crude. You're going to see that's trading at 13.14, basically right where it closed on Friday. So there you have it. Once again, if you have not done so, come on over. Take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right alongside of us. Should be an interesting trading week. Next week, we start earnings season, so get ready. Lots of gap plays in the morning. Lots of action already this month. So again, if you have not done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're having a great 2019. Going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody have a great session, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.